Hello everyone, this is just a quick update on the entire YouTube Falcon 9 Block 5 copyright issue, and why my 24/7 ISS livestream is currently offline. Now, as you all probably know, a few days ago SpaceX launched the first updated version of the Falcon 9 called Block 5, and it was a total success. I have already made a video about this, and it is quite exciting. However, as you might also know, there was afterwards a little chaos on YouTube, because literally everyone who had used footage of that launch, as I've heard about 500 different YouTube channels, each with potentially several videos, so probably over 1,000 videos, received copyright claims and got their videos blocked by, as the takedown notice says, a channel called Times Innovation owned by Verse, through YouTube's Content ID system, and after that everything went very chaotic. Now, Times Innovation had indeed uploaded a video of the Falcon 9 launch that was supposedly the source of the copyright claim. That was their video, and supposedly everyone had stolen it, since, well, it contained the same footage, which is of course originally the SpaceX footage, which just both use. Now, the thing is that in this case both sides acted slightly irresponsible, and what I really want to do with this video is ask people to please stay civilized, discuss it out, and solve the problems so it's no longer a problem, rather than taking vengeance or whatever. Now, the thing is, the whole thing went on quite fishy. Times Innovation deleted their video, re-uploaded it, deleted it again, re-uploaded it again, every time to a major shitstorm of people complaining. The problem being that neither Times Innovation nor the people complaining understood how YouTube's copyright system works. The thing is, no one was really at fault here, and I have made contact with Times Innovation and confirmed that the whole thing was just a stupid little accident that could have happened to anyone, and while the consequences are really annoying, it's more of an accidental force of nature than anyone willingly doing evil. Now, Times Innovation is trying to fix the entire issue already, but that is kind of complicated because, well, YouTube is known to sometimes have complicated, weird, unwell explained, or even buggy menus and features. As great as the page is in some regards, it does have a few issues. What basically happened here is that Times Innovation, if you look at their channel, before uploading footage of a Falcon 9 launch, they had uploaded quite a lot of videos that they actually did own copyright for. And therefore their standard setting was to upload with a Content ID system, meaning that basically YouTube's, in air quotes, AI image, video and audio recognition software would check other YouTube videos whether they included or were the same video, and send out copyright strikes in Times Innovation's name without the actual user behind Times Innovation even knowing about that. Now, Times Innovation has since deleted the video, which has retracted most or some of the copyright claims. So now you can already watch the first Falcon 9 Block 5 launch and landing on my channel, but the problem is that some of the videos are still claimed, including the recording of the original live stream, and that's where another YouTube policy hits. If your live stream or your recorded live stream gets copyright claimed, then unlike what usually happens with a video where only this video is affected, either demonetized or in this case blocked, with no further consequences, in this case, since it's a live stream, it also means that I cannot live stream for the next 90 days. Unless, of course, Times Innovation revokes their copyright claim, in which case I can live stream again as soon as they do. This is why my split screen map ISS view 24/7 live stream is currently down. Now, the thing is, I already contacted Times Innovation and they're trying to revoke their copyright claim. But again, this happened automatically without them even knowing, and YouTube is a bit complicated, especially when you can't really find proper tutorials. If you do look for tutorials for how to revoke copyright claims, all you find is loads and billions of always the same crappily made tutorial about how to react to a copyright claim, file a dispute, and so on, but no one actually explains what to do if you sent out a copyright claim yourself and now want to revoke it. You only find tutorials for what to do if you receive a copyright claim. So while some of the claims were retracted automatically after the video was deleted, they're now trying to revoke all the claims, and I'm trying to help them do that. But the really important message here is not to completely freak out and shitstorm. Again, this was not a deliberate action of fraud, it was more of an accidental bug or badly designed user interface thing. And while it's totally okay to bring that bug to their attention and complain about it so that they fix it, I have seen a lot of people completely freaking out, while being themselves not very well informed about YouTube's copyright system, misreporting their channel, doing more harm than good, insulting them, which doesn't really help anyone involved, or even threatening them personally, which really doesn't help anyone involved and is something you should never actually do. And that is just pretty stupid. So to end this video, I will explain what you can do in this case, or in any other case where someone falsely claims copyright for your video. You do not want to shitstorm them or threaten them. What you want to do is go to your video manager, click on the copyright notice and on do something about it, and then basically follow the instructions to file a dispute. And if that does not get the right reaction, then you can talk to the channel in question like a civilized human being and explain the issue to them and talk them through it, since apparently it is quite complicated. And only if that all doesn't give you no reaction whatsoever can you start to report them, smear them, or shitstorm them. But please never ever personally threaten someone. That is just fucking stupid. Since in addition to 2 videos my ISS livestream is now currently offline, I am possibly among the more or most affected by this whole situation. And well, I went the civilized route, wrote a few complaints until I got a response and got into contact with the channel in question, and now we're working on it, which is more than any shitstorm or threat or false report would have ever achieved. So read up on the basics before taking drastic actions, stay civilized, and as always, thanks for watching.